Okay, and here uh, user exit is so they have introduced for only SD modules. Okay, you cannot implement user exit for other modules like PP, Pico, like that. We cannot implement the user exits. Okay, this is for only SD module. And coming to the customer exit, okay, so this is for SD. So SD is possible for, I mean, user exists for SD also, and customer exists also possible. Both are possible for SD module. Okay, SD, Pico, or PP, whatever it is. Okay, all modules. There is no restriction for this one. Okay, for all modules. Okay, so for to find out customer exit, transaction code is SMOD. Okay, to find out customer exit, the transaction code is SMOD. So in this SMOD, I'm providing something package name for that the transaction, and click on enter button. It is displaying some list of exits here. Okay, enhancements here, and I'm taking some predefined sold to party in sales document. I'm double clicking on this one and click on display button. And here something components button is there. Click on this components button, and here something function exit is coming. Double click on this function exit. So it is opening some function module here. Okay, double click on this include. Here I can write the code, but what is the variable? For which variable I can pass the data here? I don't know exactly. So I will click on import button, export button, changing tables. Okay, each and every time I will click. Okay, where I can pass the data. We have to check there. Okay, in source code you can see here exporting value e n square punar is coming. Okay, e n square punar. If you pass e n square punar equal to something value. Okay, so that value will come as the default value for the PA01 transaction. Okay, I want to implement something code here. Okay, I want to do implementation for this one. Okay, this is for finding the enhancement. That's it. Okay, finding the enhancement. The transaction code is SMOD, SMOD transaction. Fine. If you want to implement, okay, if you want to implement your implementation, if you want to write something code for this enhancement, then we have to go for CMOD or CMOD. Customer exit implementation. CMOD or CMOD. Fine. This is SMOD transaction, and I will go for CMOD. And before that one, just copy the enhancement name /o CMOD. Okay, CMOD transaction, and here it is asking something project. Okay, so if you want to implement any customer exit, then we have to create one project. Okay, in CMOD transaction, we have to create one project. Fine. I will give something name here, JF. Test one. Okay, JF underscore T1 test one I am taking, and click on create button. I am creating something project here. Okay, click on create button, and the description I'm giving as enhancements for providing default customer value to user transaction. Okay, short description you can give anything in understanding format. Okay, and now click on save button. So where do you want to save it? So if you want to move these changes to quality and production, then you have to provide something package here. Okay, if you don't want to move, I want to uh, test this one in the development server. Okay, I don't want to move this one to quality and production. Then .tmp local object is enough. Okay, as of now I'm giving ZAJF. This is the package name, and click on enter button. Then it will ask the TR. Okay, transport request. I'm providing something description here. Otherwise enhancements. Okay, here for enhancements, click on save button. So if you provide a description, then automatically one TR will generate here. Okay, this is a TR number, and click on OK button. Fine. Okay, it is saved now. Now click on enhancement assignments. Okay, click on enhancement assignments. So we have to provide the enhancement name here. Okay, in a small transaction, we have chosen one enhancement name. This is the enhancement name, right? Just copy this enhancement name and go to the CMO transaction and provide a CMO enhancement name here and click on enter button. Okay, so if you see here, SAP enhancement something, this is the enhancement name, right? So already belongs to project HAF1. Here one drawback is there. So what the drawback here? So if you create, okay, if you create one project for one enhancement name, then you cannot reuse that one in another projects. Okay, only one time you can use that one. Okay, already someone has assigned something ZHF1. Oh, sorry. The enhancement is the V45A0002, right? So this enhancements already someone used in some project. The project name is ZHF1. Okay, I think I have created this one for practicing. Okay, I will remove that one. Okay, so first of all, I want to delete that one. Okay, ZHF1 is there. So in that ZHF1, I have used this enhancement, right? So I will go for one more transaction, C more transaction only, /C MOD transaction, and ZHF1. ZHF1 is a project name here. Okay, you can see in the message. Okay, this enhancements already belongs to project ZHF1. Okay, I have provided that ZHF1 and click on display button. But enhancement, sorry, ZHF, right? Click on display and click on uh, okay, already it is available here. So it won't work. Okay, now I want to deactivate. This is in active mode now. This is in active mode now. Okay, here deactivate symbol is there. This is the activate symbol and this is the deactivate symbol. Just deactivate it. Okay, so activation of project ZHF has been undone. Okay, undone means it is deactivated. ZHF project is deactivated. Now I will open the this one. This is the something message is coming here, right? Just click on enter button one more time now. Same thing is coming. Fine. I will try it one more time. /n cmod. So this is my project name here. And click on change button and click on enhancements assignment. Provide the enhancement name here. Click on enter. Same thing is coming. Okay, I have deactivated the here ZHF1 is coming, right? So in this ZHF1, I have implemented that enhancement, right? One minute, guys. It is struck here. Okay. So ZHJF1. Okay. So in this one, I have implemented. Okay. These enhancements I have implemented, but I'm trying to implement the same enhancement in another project. Then it is not working there. Okay. I have deactivated also. It is not working. Fine. Just delete it. The symbol delete is coming here. Just click on delete button. Click on S button. It was deleted. Fine. Now I will come here. Okay, one more time I'm trying /n cmod. Okay, my project name is ZAJF T1 testing 1. Click on change button and provide the enhancement assignments. Okay, and provide the enhancement name here and click on enter button. Now something description is coming. Okay, means so this enhancement did not did not implemented in another projects. Okay, and try and click on components button here. Click on S, and here it is asking you something function exit. Okay, function exit, function name is coming here. Function name exit is coming here. Just double click on it. So something function module is triggered here. Okay, function module is triggered here. Value is coming in the exporting tab. The exporting tab e_kunar is coming. So we have to pass the value to the e_kunar. Okay, now double click on this include. Click on change button. E_kunar I have copied there. I'm pasting here. E_kunar equal to 10. Okay, e_kunar equal to 10. Click on save button. Check it. Activate it. Click on back button. Activate the program. Sorry, function module. Click on back button. Activate the. See, if you click on activate button, then here green symbol is coming, and here also green symbol is coming. Okay, if it is green symbol, for example, I will deactivate it. So if you see here, nothing is coming. Okay, here nothing is coming. If I click on activate button, then some green box will come. Click on activate button. Here something green box is coming. Means so this is activated. Okay, it is activated. Now click on back button. So one more time, click on activate it. Okay, project is activated. Now I will check. Okay, I will check in the V01 transaction how it is working. It is working or not. /n V01. Click on enter button. So V01 came here and click on enter button. So I'm providing something order type and sales organization, distribution channel and division, and click on enter button. See here by default. Okay, I did not provide the customer number 10. By default, customer number 10 came here. Okay, if you want to remove, then you can remove this one and you can write your own customer number. But by default, the customer number 10 came. One more time, I will execute the same thing. So this is the one more time /n V01. So and click on enter button. If you see by default 10 is coming here. Okay, fine. I will deactivate it one time. I will check it. So ZAJFT1 is there, right? And click on change button here. Fine. Click on OK. Click on components or components only. And here something green symbol is coming. I will deactivate it. Okay. I will deactivate it. So green symbol is not coming. Fine. And click on back and deactivate the project. Okay. Project is deactivated. Now I will execute va01 one more time, slash n va01. Click on enter button. It is taking some time because some enhancements has done, right? So it is taking a little bit time. I have activated and deactivated. That's why. So here va01 is executed and I'm providing something data here and click on enter button. If you see here, default value is not coming because the enhancement that is deactivated. Okay, deactivated. That is why the default value is not coming. So one more time, raise it. So click on change button, click on components button, click on activate button. Okay, it's activated. Click on back, activate the project. Okay, so project is activated, and one more time I am executing va01. Okay, and click on enter. By default, 10 is coming here because the project is activated. That's why. Okay, so this is the way to provide the implementation for function exit. And one more thing, click on change button. So whenever you are practicing, okay, at the time other guys should not disturb. So you have to write the code like this. Okay, if psi uname equal to, okay, so what I'm doing here, if psi uname equal to means the current username. Okay, so I'm clicking here and if you see here user, what the username? Simple. Okay, SIMPLE, same thing I'm taking here. Okay, this is a username. You will log in with user ID and password, right? That username I'm giving here. Okay, if psi uname equal to simple, then only I want to apply this enhancement. For other users I don't want to apply this enhancement. Okay, so you have to write this one. Okay, must and should, you have to write this one, otherwise what will happen, this enhancement will apply for all users. Okay, they don't know why it is coming like that, they don't know exactly. Sometimes you will implement wrongly. Okay, you will implement wrongly, at that time it will go to dump. So what will happen, for each and every user it will go to dump, but that is not exact way. So you are in learning stage now. So first of all, you have to write if psi uname equal to your user ID, your login user ID. You have to pass that one here and end it. In between of if and end if only you have to write the code, not in real time. Okay, I'm not discussing about real time. So you are in learning stage, so you have to write the code like this. Other guys should not disturb if you write the code like this. Fine. Activate it. And I don't have another user ID here, so I cannot show you that one. 1 minute, otherwise I will do like this. I will do breakpoint here. Okay, I'm doing something breakpoint. Okay, at that time it will go to the debugging screen, right? Just activate it. I will show you what will happen here. Click on back, activate it. Click on back, activate these enhancements. Click on back, activate this project. Okay, now I will execute the va01 transaction. What will happen? Let me check this one now. Slash n va01. Okay, something input data is coming here and I will click on enter button. Okay, so if I click on enter button, that enhancement will trigger. Okay, that enhancement will trigger, but I kept there some breakpoint, so it will go to the debugging screen, right? Click on enter button. So it is going to the debugging screen because of the breakpoint. Okay, now I will double click on this SY upon U name. Here simple is coming. Okay, I will change it. Simple one. Okay, so here now my user ID is simple one, but here what I have taken, if say uname equal to simple. Okay, for that user only this will work. For other users it won't work. Okay, so I'm clicking on execute button. What happened? Okay, the default value is not coming here because I'm changing the username. Okay, I'm changing the username at runtime. In the debugging, I'm changing the username. Okay, that's why it's not working here. The default value is not coming here. Fine. I will do click and change button. Okay, fine. Double click on components. Double click on exit name and double click on include name. And here click on edit button. Remove the breakpoint. Okay, activate it. Click on back. Activate it. Click on back. Activate them one more time. And click on back. Activate process one more time. Okay, now it won't go for debugging. Okay, so this is the function exit. Okay, function exit. Function exit means, so if you want to write something code, okay, if you want to apply something code, then we will go for function exit. Fine. I will come to the menu exit now. Menu exit means, for example, I will go for SC38 transaction. Okay, this is SC38 transaction, and here something buttons are coming, menu buttons are coming here. For example, utilities is there. So in these utilities, I want to add one more button here. Okay, I want to add one more button. And if I click on that button, then I want to do some particular activity. For example, uh, I want to add one more button like go to VA03. Okay, the name should be go to VA03. If I click on that button, okay, so these are the names, these are the buttons, right? Something find program button, find in source code button, like this. Some buttons are coming. The same way, I want to add one more button here. If I click on that button, then I want to go for VA03 transaction. Okay, that is my requirement. Okay, so how can we do that one? So this is AC38 transaction, fine, and click on system status. So this is a program, right? This is a program, but one more thing is there. In each and every tab, okay, in each and every tab, we cannot add the sorry. This is not tab buttons, menu buttons. Okay, in each and every menu button, we cannot add the buttons fields here. So for example, utilities button is there. If you want to add any one more name, one more field here, okay, we have to check that the option is available for utilities menu button, for environment button, for go to button, edit button, for each and every button. Okay, for each and every menu button, the SAP may give or may not give. Okay, the option, if the option is available, then we can add the one more name there. If the option is not available, then we cannot find out that part. But how can I find out the option is available or not? How can I find out that one? Okay, first of all, system status. So these are the menu buttons, right? So these all things, okay, these all things handled through GUI status. Okay, in reports concepts, if you want to add any button, then what you will do? You will go for GUI status. Okay, set PF status, status name, double click on that one, and you can add the buttons. Same thing. Okay, here they have given something name. Okay, GUI status is there, and here they have given something name ENTW. Double click on it, so it will go to the menu painter. It will go to the menu painter and the menu bar. Okay, if you see program, edit, go to utilities, something buttons are coming. Okay, in SE38 transaction, something menu buttons are there, so those buttons are coming here. Okay, double click on this program now. Okay, double click on this program. At the end of this one, something leave exit something is coming. Fine. Double click on edit button, and here something cancel is coming. Fine. And click on go to button, and here something back button is coming. And double click on this utilities button, and here plus CUS something exit editor setting is coming. Okay. So if you see this plus CUS, okay, this plus CUS means you can add some customer button here. Okay, exit editor settings. Okay, plus CUS. If you see plus CUS, so you can add something field, something button in this utilities menu button. Okay, so in this menu button, utilities menu button, you can add something because plus CUS is coming. Okay, if you come to the go to, there is no plus CUS at the end of this one. And edit, in edit also there is no place. And program, in program also there is no place, but only in utilities button. Okay, they have given plus CUS, means you can add something name in this utilities menu button only. You cannot add in another things. Okay, SAP has given some places, so in those places only we can add something extra functionality. Okay, for example, I want to add something in a go to. Okay, but SAP did not provide this one. Okay, SAP did not provide any enhancement for this one, but this is important for you, I mean for your company only. So SAP, how they will think, so it will give common things. For example, one steel company is there. Okay, steel company, and one more company is there, that is pharma company. Okay, so SAP, how they will think, so common things they will give, so it will suitable for steel company and pharma company and paint company. So for each and every company, so what are the common things, so they will give common things only. Okay, for example, something sales order is there. Okay, sales order is common. Okay, sales order is common for steel company or pharma company or paint company, whatever it is. Okay, for example, and here, so you are manufacturing something steel. Okay, manufacturing something steel here. So in this manufacturing steel, what will happen, so you will purchase some scrap. Okay, some scrap you will purchase outside, and you will burn that one, and you will create something bars, and from that bars you can create something steel rods like that. So that is different procedure. Okay, and coming to the pharma company, so they will use some chemicals. Okay, they will use some chemicals. Coming to the paint company, they will also use some chemicals. Okay, the way of producing the product is different here. Different ways are there. Okay, and the manufacturing company, they want to add something extra functionality to the standard screen. One screen is there, so in that screen, so they want to provide some steel quality also. Okay, steel quality they have to provide. So at the time, what will happen, I mean they want to add something screen here. Okay, they want to add one separate screen. So in that screen they want to provide a quality of that material, quality of that steel rod. Okay, coming to the pharma company. Okay, there is no quality for that one. Okay, but expiry date will be there. Okay, so expiry date should not available for that steel rod. Okay, that will be fixed here. Okay, expiry date should not be available for steel company, right? But pharma company, they have to maintain uh, expiry date for one medicine. That is mandatory thing here. Okay, so each and every company, they have some particular, their own uh, enhancements. Okay, so you have to implement their enhancements only. Okay, sometimes the SAP cannot give the enhancement places. At that time you have to ask SAP only. Okay, you have to raise one ticket for SAP company, then they will give you some option. Okay, then they will give you some option for you. Okay, they will charge something amount from you and they will give option for you to add something buttons, to add something enhancements. Okay, if they are not giving enhancement means that is not common thing. Okay, that is not common thing for every company. Okay, so if they give something a place, if they give something enhancements commonly, then you can implement that one. If it is not suitable for you, okay, if it is not suitable for you, then you can raise a ticket to SAP, then they will assign some option to you. Okay, and here only utilities button. Okay, SAP is providing some option to provide something menu button to utilities only. Okay, plus US is coming for go to, there is no option, they did not give, SAP did not provide any enhancement for this one. Okay, they have given only for utilities. Fine, fine, no problem. I will add one menu button in this utilities. Fine, click on back. Fine, in the GUI status, I just get no, in the utilities menu button only I can add something field here. Right, now I will go to the main program, but enhancement I did not find out till now. Okay, enhancement I did not find out till now, but just I find out in which menu button I can add the extra field, extra menu buttons. Okay, now I will go to the program. SAP something standard program is there. Okay, and here what the transaction for this one. Okay, what the transaction for this one. How can we find out? Sorry, what is the package for this one? Okay, click on go to button and click on attributes here, and here something package is coming SCDT. Just copy this SCDT. Okay, how can we find out the enhancements? SMOD transaction, right? /n SMOD transaction. SMOD or SMOD, different guys will spell different ways. Click on F4 button. Click on information system and provide a package name here. Package name something SCDT. Okay, just now I have copied, right? So that package name I'm providing here, and click on enter button. Okay, here function exit in program attributes, something is coming here, only one thing is there. Okay, only one thing is there, just double click on it. Okay, click on documentation and click on display button. So they are giving something documentation for these enhancements. Okay, for some enhancements they won't give, for some enhancements they can give the documentation. So you have to read the documentation here. The enhancements consist of the function exit. This is called when creating a program, changing, displaying the program attributes, switching from display to change mode. But here it is not, they are not giving the, I think this is not exact enhancement. Okay, this is not exact enhancement. So it is, it will work for changing, for displaying. Okay, changing or displaying. If you click on changing button, something activity will come. If you click on display button, something activity will come. So for that one, it will be suitable. Okay, but I'm not able to find out this one here. Right? Fine. Fine. If you are not finding like this, okay, if you are not finding like this, then we have one more way. Okay, to find out the user exit. User exit is not available in this SMOD transaction. Okay, in the SMOD transaction, it is displaying only one thing. Click on F4 button, click on information system and provide the package here SCDT and click on OK button, and here it is displaying only one enhancement, and that enhancement also is not suitable for us. Fine. Fine. In this case, what we have to do? Okay. First of all, go to the program. What is the program name? Just copy the program name one more time. Copied. Program name is copied. Now I will go for one table /s11 /s11 and here SAP MOD. I think this is not the table, exact table. 1 minute, I will check that one. So if you work on the concepts frequently, then we can remember. Otherwise, we will forget in the same way. So I did not work on these things frequently, so I forgot the table name here. So this is a common thing. So we have to practice more and more. Otherwise, the situation will be like this only. Guys, the class will disconnect in 2 minutes, so reconnect it once again. No, not getting. 1 minute. MOD SAP, I will check for this one. MOD SAP. Click on display button. Exactly. This is the table name only. And click on execute button here. So MOD SAP, this is the table name. Okay. And here enhancement is coming. I will provide the program name. Okay. I have copied right for AC38 transaction. The standard program name is this one.